Hans-Mill Corporation's first ever award and what this means for the company moving forward. I'm Hansmart social media manager Emily Boyer here with that exciting news from Walmart. Hans-Mill Corporation has been named Walmart's 2021 Supplier of the Year in the Made in the USA category for providing American jobs. Vice President Jeff Ahern is here with me to talk more about this announcement. Jeff, thanks for being here today. Tell us, what does this mean for the corporation moving forward?
It's a great honor to be recognized by Walmart, who's the largest retailer in the world. Such a key partner, for Hans-Mill and the corporation in general. This is the first time we were recognized for our Made in the USA initiative, which has been a key initiative for Walmart and a major investment for Hans-Mill.
Hans-Mill Corporation develops products that we also sell on our website, hansmart.com. So with that in mind, Jeff, how do you think this kind of recognition also propels our e-commerce growth?
It obviously gives the website as well as the corporation recognition and credibility. The products that we develop and market for Hansmart, in conjunction with the Hansville manufacturing capabilities, will definitely enable those efforts moving forward. So I think the award is a positive for the overall corporate initiative.
Thank you, Jeff, for being here with us today. We appreciate you sharing your expertise. And thank you for watching. And don't forget to follow us on hansmart.com and on your favorite social media platform. Hansmart, shop smart.